What is up, guys? It's your friend Matthew coming at you, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, before I even start this video, I just want to have a big shout out and say thank you guys so much for over 1,000 followers on TikTok, which keeps on going every single day. It means the absolute most to me. It means the world to me, and I just can't wait to see what content we have this year in terms of videos and sounds and stuff like that. But with that said, let's just jump straight into today's video, which is how to grow on TikTok fast in 2020. So there is no doubt that TikTok has become one of the biggest and busiest apps of today. Like, I'm not even kidding, like literally 3 years ago, in my whole school there was 3 people on TikTok, which was me and my 2 friends, 3 people in the entire school. By the end of last year, about 98% of us was on TikTok, either as users like making content or just as users viewing content. So it has definitely grown so much in the past 3-4 years. But you guys may be wondering how you go on TikTok fast. Well, I have you spidies covered, so just keep on watching to learn the tips today. So tip number 1 is something that you actually do right in the beginning when you first set up your profile, and that is make your profile look charming. Every little detail matters when it comes to optimizing your profile. So that can mean your username, your pictures that you use, and the personal information that you provide can leave a strong impact on people who view your profile. As you guys can see, when you first open my profile, obviously the first thing that catches your eye is the moving picture. And that is actually just one of the videos that I did, which is like All I Want for Christmas Is You, which turns into like the Soulja Boy song, which I absolutely loved when I first heard the song, and I couldn't stop singing it and stuff, so I knew immediately that I wanted to do the song. So when I actually did it, I put that as my profile because I was like so happy that I did it, and I felt like accomplished with myself, if I can say that. But I just overall felt good about doing the video, and that is actually means a lot to me, and it can mean a lot to you, which can either make or break your profile, which is actually a tip later on. But then next, obviously you see the amount of videos I have, the followers following, and the likes I have. But then what I'm trying to get to is your bio. So obviously I put my age so that people can know, because when I don't have the beard I look like I'm 5. So I put my age there so that people know. I put the saying love is love because I honestly do believe every single word of that. It doesn't matter who you are or who you love, as long as you're happy, then that's all that matters. I obviously put single so that everyone knows that all of this is available. And then I just put my YouTube channel there, which is Friendly with Matthew, just so that I can reach all my followers and let them know that I do have a YouTube channel and stuff like that. But I also have it linked where it says edit profile. You guys can see the YouTube logo there. If you click on that, obviously then you can see that I have my Instagram link and my YouTube. So it's just a quick and easy way of getting to my profile, which is actually a tip from my previous video in how to grow on Instagram fast. You use your hashtag and you use your bio to the fullest by putting all your links in there, so that it's quick and easy for your users to basically get to your platforms and stuff like that. So I've linked all of my stuff there, so definitely go and check it out. Tip number 2 is definitely something that everyone will tell you to do if you ask them on like how they grew on TikTok and stuff like that, and that is participate in viral challenges. So once your profile is set up and looks amazing and stunning, obviously you need to start creating videos, and a great way to start growing on TikTok is by using trendy sounds and doing trendy videos. Obviously, if you go into TikTok, you guys can obviously see your little bars at the bottom. If you click on the magnifying glass or the discovery tab, if you want to call it that, that is obviously where you can search for any users that you want to find. But it's definitely a great way to find trendy sounds and trending videos. Like definitely this first one is like a video that has definitely blown up on TikTok. I've seen so many videos. I literally, like the other day, my whole feed was just people doing this, using the sound and doing these videos. Like, it actually got annoying at one stage. But that leads me to my next tip actually, and that is be creative and original. So yes, obviously you can copy how other people do the dances and the videos and stuff like that, because obviously if they're doing good with that video, obviously if you copy them, you might also do good. But I will definitely say for myself, if I keep seeing the same sound over and over and over, and seeing the same video over and over and over, it gets a bit boring and gets a bit much, and then eventually when I go onto that video and I start hearing the sound, I immediately skip the video. So if you guys do like a different version of the video using that sound, people are more inclined to actually stay on your video and watch it finished, and then they might even go onto your profile, view the rest of your videos, and if they like what they see, they will give you a follow. So I would say definitely come up with original ways of the dances and different ways to use the sound. But that also means that with being original and creative, by doing different versions of the song, people will have hate comments. I know I got it before. When I did a particular dance video, I actually got commented on my video, like people were asking what am I doing and why am I doing it that way. Like it wasn't sticking to the beat of the song, but then later on it made sense because I was doing something different that other people weren't doing. So yes, most of the dance was the same, but I did have original and creative parts in there. But people were like, what are you doing? You're not sticking to the actual dance, or you're not keep sticking to the beat of the song type of thing. And I just commented back and I was like, I'm doing my own creative version of it, which is what I want to do, which is what TikTok is all about, and that is like creating different versions and videos using the same sounds over and over and over. So definitely use the same sounds but create different and original content. Tip number 4 is post your content on other social media platforms. So just like YouTubers post on their Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook and Twitter and all of that type of stuff, definitely post your TikToks on all your other social media platforms too, because this is a great way to like show all your other users what you're doing and the content that you're creating, because not everyone follows you on one platform. So definitely post it on all your social media platforms, which this will also drive people to your Instagram profile, because if they like what they see on your other social media platforms, they will definitely go to your TikTok and actually like your stuff and follow you and stuff like that. I'm just going to use Instagram as an example of this. So once you post a video on TikTok, you can definitely post it on Instagram, like in your feed and stuff. But a new thing that Instagram is, well, it's not really new anymore, but a newer thing that Instagram is doing is they've created little bubbles of highlights, so you guys can post all of your videos in there, like make an actual highlight just for TikTok videos. And this is a great way because when people go onto your Instagram profile, they'll see, oh, you have a highlight for TikTok, let me view some of your videos. They will view it and then they will go to your TikTok and actually like your stuff and follow you. I know on my profile I've done that. I've obviously put in the links, I've put that I'm a TikToker and a YouTuber and stuff like that, but I've also made a highlight that I actually post some of my videos in. I don't post all of my videos because, like you guys saw earlier, I have like 291 videos already, and I'm going to be creating some later on and for the rest of the week and the rest of the year, so I can't really post every single video in there, but definitely some of them that I'm like really excited to share and that I really love, I put in there. So if you guys are viewing my TikToks on my Instagram and you guys want to see more videos, definitely go and follow me with Matthew_Rams on TikTok, and just go and like, share, comment, and follow me on TikTok, and let's just grow the Spidey Nation everywhere, guys. Number 5, collab with others. Collaborations with others is a great way to actually draw attention to your profile. So a great example of this is actually recently James Charles has been making TikToks with this beautiful young lady right here, as well as Lorraine, which drove a lot of attention to all of their platforms. But like, don't get me wrong, she was doing phenomenal before she even started doing these videos with James. But when she did start doing these videos with James, all of his followers will obviously go and view her profile to see who she is, and obviously if she has content that they would enjoy. So she did gain a lot of followers. But like I said, she was doing phenomenal before even thinking of joining exchange in videos. Tip number 6 is use video editing apps to make impressive videos. So don't you just love those videos that have like all the cool transitions and all the cool effects and stuff like that? Like, yes, TikTok has amazing transitions and effects that you can add, but some of them that you want, you can't find on TikTok. So definitely use video editing software and apps to edit your videos and then post it on TikTok, because this is a great way to draw attention to that video, which also in turn will draw attention to your profile, which will give you a like. Tip number 7, make your own voice. So just like earlier with the be creative and original part, yes, obviously you can use sounds that other creators use and made, because obviously that's what you're going to use because you just love the sound so much. But definitely try and make videos with your original voice, and then just make cool sounds and videos with that, because there are so many ways to like mix and match music together, which you can use in your videos, which I think is just a great way to definitely draw in people and draw them to your profile, which will give you a follow, a like, a share, a comment, all of that type of stuff. So definitely try and make your own voice on TikTok. Tip number 8, stick to time. And I actually heard this before, but I think it's really good advice. So yes, 15 seconds is like a good time to make a video and stuff like that. But if you're gonna go longer than 15 seconds, like I know you had the option of a minute. If you're gonna go longer than a minute, or like with a story time or something, definitely make sure that the story time is worth the minute or over a minute that you are taking away from people's time on the app and in live. You can't be telling a story for like 3-4 different videos straight off each other, and then at the end it's got no relevance to it, or it's actually so dumb because you just want to say it because you just want to share it. Definitely make sure that it adds value to people's life by either making them laugh, making them cry, making them connect to it, or something like that. Definitely just add something to people's lives instead of just taking away, because if you waste their time, more likely than not they're gonna unfollow you or not even think about following you. Maybe all your other videos they really like, but just because of that story time, because of you wasting their time, they're not gonna follow you. So definitely stick to time. 15 seconds are good. If you're gonna go longer than 15 seconds, make sure that it is worth watching that entire time. Tip number 9, you are an entertainer, so act like one. How do you expect other users to enjoy the videos that you're posting if you yourself are not enjoying yourself making them, or enjoy the content that you are actually posting? Because if you're not enjoying yourself posting this content, then rather don't post it at all. It's the same as YouTube. If you feel like you're only making the videos because you feel like you have to get something out and you're obligated to get something out, then you shouldn't do it at all, because you're not actually enjoying yourself doing it, which means your viewers are not going to enjoy it the same either. A perfect example of this is actually the Dolan twins. So I watched one of their videos before. So they used to post every single Tuesday. As you guys know, if you follow them, they posted every single Tuesday. And then eventually the one day they sat down with Shane Dawson and had like this long conversation with him, and they both admitted that the content that they're posting, they don't actually enjoy the content. They're just posting it because they feel obligated to post it, because they said that they would post every single Tuesday. You are an entertainer, so act like one, and definitely start enjoying the app for what it was created for. It wasn't created to make money or to grow and make a fan base and to become famous. That is an extra bonus. It was created so that users can have fun while making the videos, and users can have fun while interacting and connecting with followers. And my final tip is actually something that I didn't know about until I was actually making this video, and that is post at the magic hour. So sharing your content at least twice a day, which means making 2 videos a day, will eventually get you a massive following, because it just increases the exposure that your videos and that your profile gets, which means more people are going to see your videos, and if they see more of your videos, they're going to eventually go onto your profile, look at your other videos, and give you a follow. And the magic hour that I'm talking about is actually posting between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. because that's when your friends, your followers, and just everyone on the app will be using the app during those time frames. So get to know your audience and understand how frequent they actually watch. and at which hours they are using the TikTok app. This will help you to create a posting schedule to maximize the chances of your profiles blowing up. So to conclude this video, definitely be different, be unique, and provide high quality entertainment for your followers to sweep them off their feet. The TikTok app features a nearly endless supply of music, video editors, and sounds that enable you to express your creativity freely. So definitely use it to the fullest. And that is all I have for you guys in today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video and the tips, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if any of these tips helped you, and just let me know if you guys grow on TikTok, or if you guys want any other similar videos like this on how to help you guys grow, or videos to do stuff, any videos that you want me to do in particular, or anything like that. But I hope these tips helped you, and I hope that you guys grow on TikTok. Once again, I just want to give a big thank you to every single person who follows me on TikTok and has made my dream come true. It is truly an amazing way to start off 2020 by getting over 1,000 followers and just seeing that it grows every single day. And like I said earlier in the tips, I enjoy every single video that I post. But also please remember to hit the big red subscribe button and to come and join the Spidey Hood, or the Spidey Squad, and just hit the post notification bell while you're there so you guys will be notified every time I post a brand new video. I can't wait to see what TikTok sounds and videos come up this year. Last year was an amazing year for TikTok with all the dances and everything like that, but I can't wait to see what new and fun and fresh content we have this year, and I can't wait to just do so many videos. Stay tuned and follow me on TikTok to find out all of those. And talking about follows, you guys can find me, like I said, on TikTok with Matthew_Rams, on Twitter with Matthew_Kutzer, on Snapchat with Eclipse Kutzer, and definitely follow me on Instagram for more of the behind the scenes stuff of life with Matthew_Rams, which you guys can also find my TikTok videos on Instagram. You guys always know what I say, take care, stay safe, and if you guys ever need anything, I'm just a spidey sense away.
Like a Hellcat.